Welcome to Yashu World, where learning is fun in every language.
Hello, little friends. Let's learn reptiles in English. Snake. Snakes slither on the ground. Lizard. Lizards have long tails and quick legs. Crocodile. Crocodiles have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Tortoise. Tortoises walk slowly and have hard shells. Iguana. Iguanas are green lizards with long tails. Chameleon. Chameleons can change colors. Python. Pythons are very large snakes. Cobra. Cobras can raise their heads and spread their hood. Skink. Skinks are smooth and shiny lizards. Anaconda. Anacondas are giant snakes that live near water. Great job, little learners! Now you know reptiles in English.
Thanks for watching Yashu World. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun learning videos. See you soon!